In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shippo API. We'll start by getting your API key, which is essentially the password your app uses to talk to Shippo. Sign in to your Shippo account on the web, then head to Settings, choose Advanced, and open the API section. You'll see options for test tokens, which are perfect for development, and live tokens, which you'll use in production. Click Generate Token for the mode you need. Copy the key immediately and store it somewhere secure, because you won't be able to view it again later. A good practice is to save it in an environment variable or a secrets manager, never in plain text or public repositories. With your key in hand, include it in every request you send to Shippo. You'll add it to the HTTP authorization header using the format Shippo token, followed by a space and your key. This is how Shippo verifies that your app is allowed to make the call. If the header is missing or malformed, you'll get an authentication error, so double-check spacing and capitalization. Now let's make your first API call in test mode to confirm everything is working. A simple way to do this is to create an address. Send a POST request to https API shippo.com's addresses with the authorization header set to your test token. In the body, include fields such as name, street 1, city, state, zip, and country. You can do this with a tool like curl, Postman, or your preferred HTTP client in code. If the request is successful, Shippo will return a JSON response with the address details and an ID. Look for a 200 or 201 level status code. If you see an error, read the message carefully. It usually points to a missing field, a typo, or an issue with the header. Once authentication is confirmed, you're ready to build real shipping workflows. Using the same authorization header, you can request shipping rates, create shipments, generate shipping labels, track packages, and even manage returns. Each task has a dedicated endpoint, and the pattern is the same. Construct the request, include your key in the header, send the required fields, and handle the JSON response. Keep working in test mode until your flow is stable, then switch to a live token for real shipments. As you proceed, remember to rotate keys if they're ever exposed, use least privilege access in your environment, and refer to the Shippo API documentation for exact fields and response formats. That's the foundation you need to connect and start using the Shippo API with confidence.